Grace and peace to you in the wonderful name of our Lord Jesus Christ. As we come to the close of another year, my heart is filled with gratitude for each pastor, leader, volunteer, and every member across our Boland region. This has been a year of stretching, of learning, of sowing, and above all, a year where the faithfulness of God has carried us. Christmas reminds us again this year of the greatest gift ever given, and the Word became flesh, and He dwelt among us, says John 1:14. God did not send an angel nor a distant message. He sent His Son, Emmanuel, God with us. Not God far away, not God occasionally present, but God with us. Pastors and leaders, I want to honor you today. Your faithfulness in shepherding God's people, your commitment to prayer, your courage to stand when times were tough, and your hearts that continually say yes to the kingdom. This has not gone unseen. May the peace of Christ rest over your home. May the joy of the Lord fill your gatherings and services. And may the light of Jesus shine freshly into your heart as you rest in the presence during this season. Merry Christmas, and God bless you richly.